Hi children, today I am going to explain some question answers from our second lesson, The Smash Girl. I request you to open your textbook page number 20. Page number 20, we can see 4 question answers are given there. I think 2 question answers I have explained, I have given you in previous class. Today I am going to explain 4 question answers. Okay. See first one. Why did Saina forget her dialogues? Why did Saina forget her dialogues? Why? Because she was nervous. She was nervous whenever she go to perform something on stage. Right? She was tensed. So she forget her dialogues, whatever she wants to say. That is the answer, right? First answer, Saina forgot her dialogues because of her fear of performing in front of peoples. All the peoples, they were stage in the sense while we performing something, teachers, students, parents, who they sit in front of the stage, right? So she got nervous. She could not speak out. That is the answer. And second one, how did Saina develop love for badminton? Saina, later she turned to play badminton, right? She developed love for badminton. How could she turn? How could she love badminton? Why? Because her parents were playing badminton. By seeing that, she got interest to play the game badminton, right? See, Saina developed a love for badminton by watching her parents play the game. Her parents were playing the game. By seeing that, she got interest to play the game. She got interest to play the game badminton. Right. Next, third question. Why did Saina practice the game regularly? Why did Saina practice the game regularly? Why? Because she wanted to success in that. So she learned that hard work is the main thing to success in the life. She learned from that is from her parents. She wanted to success in the game. So in her life, of course, and so what did she do? She practiced regularly, daily, continuously. Whenever the children in her age, whenever her friends playing with toys or playing other games, what did she do? She practiced badminton. Backhand she practiced, right? See what is the answer? Saina practiced her game regularly because she wanted to be a great player. Yes, she wanted to be a great player. She wanted to be success in her life. So what did she do? She practiced regularly. She practiced badminton regularly. And fourth question. When did Saina experience fear of facing the audience once again? How did she overcome this fear? See what is the question? When did Saina experience fear of facing the audience once again? When she was too small or when she was 5 years old, she faced the fear on stage by seeing the audience, right? Again, one more time, once again she faced the same fear. When it was? And it was in 2010, right? It was in 2010 when she went for her first shooting for advertisement, right? In lesson we have learnt when she went for shooting, she actually at that time she was a big girl. She was not 5 years old. She was a big girl, and there was nobody was there when she was too small. Her parents were saying that, okay, okay, you come down now. No need to tell anything. You come down now, right? But now she's not like she's not a small girl. She is a big girl. There was nobody to say, okay, come down now. There was nobody to say that, right? Actually, what is the answer? Saina experienced a fear of facing an audience once again when she had to shoot for her first advertisement in 2010. She overcame the fear by practicing again and again. Saina experienced a fear facing an audience once again when she had a shoot for her first advertisement in 2010. In 2010, her first advertisement. For that shoot, she faced the audience again. She got the same fear how she felt like in her 5 years old. The same fear she faced there also. Audience are there, many audience are there. She faced the same fear there. But how did she overcome that fear? She practiced again and again. She practiced again and again. She practiced many times, and she overcame that fear. Right. That is the fourth answer. Okay. See, these answers already you have written 2 answers in your notebook, right? And third and fourth answers I will send along with this video. You have to practice it. Write it in the notebook as a homework. You have to write it and send to me the snap. One more activity is given there. Think and discuss. Let us see that also. See, do you think Saina would have been a different person if her parents had given up when she could not say her lines in the fancy dress competition? See, do you think Saina would have been a different person if her parents had given up when she could not say her lines in the fancy dress competition? Actually, her parents, Saina's parents were encouraging her, right, for performing something on stage. They were supporting her. That is what, when she turned to play badminton, right, when she showed interest to play the badminton, that time also what did they do? They supported her. They encouraged her. So now she became a star, or she got success in her life, right? So if her parents were not encouraging her for performing on stage or playing badminton or whatever it is, if they were not encouraging her, what Saina would have been? Whether she would have been like a different person, or how she could have became, how she could have become, right? You have to think and say, if her parents were not supporting her, what could have happened in her life? Okay, you have to think and discuss with your parents. Okay, this is homework question answers. You have to write in your notebook neatly, and this also you think and discuss. Okay, next one. If her parents were not supporting her, what she could have become now? Okay.